Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how we can use Ballerina tool, which is a command line tool for managing the Ballerina source code. We already know that we can check the Ballerina version by using the bell-v command. Now let's see in detail about this bell tool. To see the details of the command, you can use -h option. It gives the details of the Ballerina tool command options, subcommands and lot of other details. There are two options under this. -v is to check the version and -h to view the help docs. And there are many subcommands available. You can see those subcommands are categorized under many different categories. The first one is core commands. This is to manage build, run and other source code related operations. Then the module and package related commands. This is to manage modules and packages and also Ballerina central related operations such as push, pull and search. Then we have other commands. It gives some utilities to various toolings. And finally, the update commands. That allows us to update the bell tool itself and also it allows us to manage the Ballerina distribution. To learn further on any of these commands, we can use bell help with the command name. In this session, I am going to discuss in detail about these update commands. The first thing is how we can update the Ballerina tool itself. It has independent versions from the Ballerina distribution versions. You can use bell help update to view more details about the bell update command. If you issue the bell-v command along with the distribution version, you can also see the Ballerina tool version. Then when we use the bell update command, it will update the Ballerina update tool to the latest version. I am using sudo here to be in super user mode as I don't have write access permissions for Ballerina installation directory for my current logged in user. It is fetching the latest version from the remote server and then update. But it seems I have the latest version already. Now let's see how we can manage the Ballerina distributions using the Ballerina tool. If you run the bell help with the dist command, you can see more details about the bell dist subcommand. Under that we have 5 more subcommands. First let's look at the dist list command. It will list down all the Ballerina distribution versions available in the local machine and all the versions available in the remote server separately. According to that, I have two versions locally, 1.2.9 and SL Alpha 1 version. Having a star in front means that is the version currently in use. In remote server, you can see two channels, 1.x channel and the Swan Lake channel. Under each of them, all the versions are listed with the version code and the name. Let's quickly look at the installation directory of the Ballerina in my machine. In Mac, it is in library/ballerina folder. And under distributions, you can see two versions. These are the versions listed by the bell dist list command under the locally available versions. Now let's look at how we can get a version that we want to have. If you are installing Ballerina for the first time, you will need to use the installers. But hereafter you can use Ballerina tool to manage the versions, like get a new version, use a specific version, remove a specific version, and so many other operations. Here you can see I have two versions locally, 1.2.9, and when I check the versions available in the remote server, you can see there are 4 more newer versions for that channel. Now let's say you want to update it to a selected version, for example to 1.2.11. If you simply use Ballerina dist use command with that option, it gives an error saying that version is not found in your local machine. So it requests to use bell dist pull command to get this done. The bell dist pull with the distribution version allows us to download a particular version and stores it in your local environment. It also sets the fetch distribution as the active distribution. So let's run the dist pull command to fetch the 1.2.11 version. It's downloading that version and set it as the current version. Now we can see my current Ballerina version is 1.2.11. And if you check with the dist list command, now we can see there are three distributions in my local machine. Now let's say instead of a specific version, I need to update to the latest patch version of my current release channel. If I issue build list command, we can see I am in 1.2.11 version now, and in the 1.x release channel, the latest version is 1.2.13. So if I want to quickly update to whatever the latest version of that channel without specifying a specific version, you can run bell dist update command. So it is fetching the latest version as of now. It is 1.2.13 and it will set it as the current version. Now let's see how we can switch between the Ballerina versions. My current version is 1.2.13. If I want to switch to another version which is already available locally, I can use Ballerina dist use command. For example, if I want to switch to 1.2.9 version, I can use Ballerina dist use 1.2.9 and that will set that version as the active version. And finally, let's see how we can remove a specified version. This is the last subcommand under the Ballerina dist command. My current version is 1.2.9 and I have 4 versions available locally. If I try to remove the current active version, which is the 1.2.9, it gives an error saying the active Ballerina version cannot be removed. If I really want to remove that version, first I need to switch to another version and then remove this. Let's try to remove the SL Alpha 1 version by using the beldist remove command. The command execution is successful now, and you can see only 3 versions locally. So in this session, we looked into update commands in the Ballerina tool. There are a lot of other subcommands and let's look into them in detail in the upcoming sessions.